Hello everybody, today we're reacting to XG Howling. I don't know if this is about werewolves. I don't know if we're going to find out that these girls this whole time have been a pack of wolves. We're going to find out. I'm intrigued by what the music video will look like. I expect a lot of wolves. I expect a lot of nighttime running. Do I expect this to be upbeat? I expect a lot of rapping. And those are all my predictions. We're going to see if I'm right. Let's go. We're going to have a full moon. We're going to have wolves. Guys in QR code masks was not in my prediction, I'm not going to lie. I do hear a wolf howling, though.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause it's stick that don't. Talk is down, there's no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my brain, my pulse. Game hung up, bring that smoke. You want no smoke.
Love the beat, love the wolf outfits, love the masks, love everything.
Thanks out, attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many captain, I've been losing head count. To the red dot, I like to cook so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I do wolf it, it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
I was right about them starting heavy with rap. Also, the masks kind of remind me of Squid Game a little bit. Oh.
But they can't stop her, dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run a bit inside the sound, 'cause that's how we howl.
The howling is the beat. Run that back.
'Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin',
Growling,
wildin'.
A dragon? That was also not in my prediction. Where's the full moon?
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf.
I said, where's the moon? And she said, moonwalk. I like that.
I move like that, geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down, and you know how we adapt. Touchdown, and you know how we impact. Tap the throw, got the go. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang, cause we back to beast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got my speed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now the fear surrounded. I move to silence. Move like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence. Break out, no escape route. There's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. But they can't stop her, it's dangerous. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you ever sound the sound. 'Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
Yeah.
That's how we
Howling, growling, wilding.
Where are you now?
Bro, it's dragon up in here.
Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive.
Dude, I wish I could see, like, some of these K-pop music videos look so good. I wish I could see this turned into a real movie. You know what I'm saying?
Run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
Ow!
That's how we howlin',
Growling, wilding.
That's how we howlin',
Howling, growling, wilding.
Where are you now?
This beat is crazy. Who are you? Did you just shoot him with your finger? Dude. That was fun. I like that. Howling, growling, wilding. Dang. Good stuff, XG. I like the darker tone of this music video. Definitely had more of like almost like a horror kind of vibe to it. Some of their songs have been like very upbeat, very nice tempo. I like this one, how it was a lot of rap. It was like less colors, more nighttime, like very good stuff. I want to watch a movie. I feel like they could make such a good movie if they, like with all the production that they put into these videos, like, could be some good stuff. Anyway, let me know if there's more songs you want me to react to. Thank you for watching with me. Please like, please subscribe, and deuces!